Market is open. We had a double signal on the 1 minute. Had a triple signal on the 5 minute here. Taking a break lower. We just popped down 40 points from that. I've just got the time-based charts up today. Got a 5 minute NQ, a 1 minute NQ, and another 1 minute chart. This is the micro NQ. Also have some tabs with some higher time frames. 60 minute daily. Just bounced up 50 points right from value area high there. Had some positive delta coming in on this candle on both the NQ and the ES. Just broke above the 20. Taken off there. Just got into a little short here. We had point of control. Drawn up into the wick. Getting a little retracement. I only ended up getting 4 or 5 points when I hit the market close, but I was up about 8 points when I hit the button. Got a 5 signal on the 1 minute. See if we break above. I just got into another short. We were getting some continued wickage there on this next candle. Delta was drying up. Got into a short. Had plenty of room down to the 20 SMA. Got my full 10 points. I just got into another short. Came down and poked VWAP. We had a ton of negative delta coming in on the 5 minute. I got into a scalp short with 2 micros, got the full 10 points. We had a triple signal back here on the 1 minute as well, and I just refreshed my chart, so I lost the signal counter. I thought there was a candle missing, but it's because I've got the being painted by the ultimate delta, and the dark red matches the background too well, so I'm gonna have to adjust that. Undo the outlines there. Now the outlines are just all one color. We had a triple signal on the 5 minute. Taking a break lower, came down over 20 points there. Got a triple signal back here on the 1 minute. Never broke higher. I like the breaks to happen on the very next candle. This one might break out and go test the 20. Got some positive delta coming in there. We had some 9:45 news. Came out 2 minutes ago. Just gonna let it breathe for a minute here. Just got into another short. We had this very large full-bodied candle to the downside. Lots of strong negative delta. Had a little pullback. Got into a short there. Looks like we might get this gap fill here between the overnight open and yesterday's close. We just got the gap fill. We had a triple signal back here. Never broke higher. We had some single bar divergence. I was more interested in it breaking lower. We broke lower from the single bar divergent candle. Came down about 15 points. Thought about getting into the scalp there. I had to adjust my key levels indicator. I had the pre-market time range set to the wrong time frame. It was set to the first hour. Went back and fixed that. Pre-market low was up here near yesterday's high where we got a very nice bounce. See how low this thing can go. Got a level at 770. 723, and we got a big old cluster down here in the 650 area. The 10 o'clock news came out and we dropped really quick, about 100 points in a minute. Just bounced up off that area on the 60 minute that I was just pointing out. The top of these two candles, right around 769, we just popped right back up, almost another 100 points. Also, just FYI, Take Profit Trader has their no activation fee sale going on once again. You get 30% off, and then you do not have to pay an activation fee once you pass your evaluation account. So that's a pretty big discount. If you use code MonkeyMan, you can get that deal. And there is one more day of the Apex 80% off sale. We pulled back up to the 20 SMA, this pink dashed line. We wicked off of the 20, had point of control drawn up into the wick. Got a nice little move down there. Just 40 points or so. Have not had any more triple signals on the 1 minute or the 5 minute in a while. Got 12 minutes left until 10:30. Would like to get into one more short trade if I get a decent opportunity. So I'm not interested in taking a long at the moment, but I'm just looking at this. Holy moly, look at all of these point of controls drawn down into all of these wicks. Kind of seems like it might bounce, but just don't feel like getting long yet. But there we are, bouncing up over 30 points. I see a lot of different things in the markets during the course of one day. Don't take every single trade opportunity. I stick with the best of the best. Just got a triple signal here. Lots of positive delta. It was not a trade I was interested in, but we broke above by a couple points and made it up about 20 points. I'm still more interested in the shorts. Do have a lot of positive delta coming in on the 5 minute here. I just got into a little short there. We were coming up to the 20 range VWAP up here on the 5 minute. Big old retracement so far. Had point of control drawn up into this wick. I got a little scalp. I hit the market close button. I was up around 8 points and I think I only got 4 or 5. If that, I'm not even sure what I got. Something green. I just got into a long trade. I was in a short trade when it was pulling up to VWAP, but then I saw that that was definitely not a good idea. Very strong delta on the 1 minute, and then a second 5 minute candle with very strong delta. Looked like we were about to break VWAP, so I got out of my short. I got into a long. Something crazy happened on the sim account. I have no idea, but the sim account is negative. The sim account is what I'm trading on, and then it's copying those trades to my Take Profit Trader account and my Apex accounts. Luckily, it's not the other way around, but my prop firm accounts are accurate. I do not know what happened with the sim account. We had a couple of divergent candles up here, looking for the breakdown back below VWAP. It's after 10:30. I thought we'd get a little bit of a pullback. I think I got around 5 points. I got into another short. We had this pullback up to yesterday's high and the VWAP area. Got into a little short there. It popped down over 30 points back to yesterday's close. I absolutely love these volatile markets. The Trump markets are back. It's after 10:30. I'm going to call it a day there. I'm up over $650 across the 4 different accounts. Not a bad way to spend 1 hour in the morning. I appreciate you taking the time to tune in. Best of luck in your trading. Have a great day.